Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again. My name's Darren, aka the Six Figure Dad. Very off the cuff update for you today, okay, on Roadmap Exclusive, because obviously I'm going through the course myself. I always said before this that if you've got a product or a course, you've got to go through it yourself. You've got to know your product inside and out. Now, even though I was an absolute lover of Roadmap 3.0, that was an amazing course as well. This is obviously the upgraded version. So I just want to give you a bit of an update of my initial feelings of going through the initial part of the course that I have gone through already. And I think the difference that I am seeing in comparison to Roadmap 3.0 is that Roadmap Exclusive, it really does dig deep in showing you how to create a business and not just an online business. And what it's doing, I think you have a broader market. What it's doing is really making me think outside the box, dig deeper into my branding, my niche, my perfect customer, and what products you want to create or how you want to implement the marketing strategies. Because remember, it's a business development and marketing course, okay? It's not just a digital marketing course at all. It is a business development and marketing course. I don't mean business development as in sales. I mean the creation of your business, period. Now, yes, of course, it does take a direction towards online later on in the course and gives you tools. But remember, most businesses you can take online these days, whether you're a dog groomer or whether you're a window cleaner or whether you're a painter and decorator, it really doesn't matter, because we can all create products and automate our business and offer our services to the wider audience when you have automations or an online presence. So, but what the Roadmap Exclusive is really doing is it's making you realize how you can actually take your business to the next level, and not just create one in the first place. So, yeah, pretty blown away so far, I must admit, and I think it's really confirmed to me 100% I'm absolutely in the right place. And I think what I love about it as well is because it really does dig deep and make you think outside the box and think for yourself as a business owner, because ultimately that's what you are and what you're going to be and what you want to be. What it's doing is giving us, and it'll give you that uniqueness when you take your business online, that you're not just going to be following the crowd. You're not going to be branding someone else and promoting someone else. You're going to be branding you. And a lot of people, a lot of marketers these days, and I've been guilty of this in the past myself, to be honest, before I found Roadmap, you kind of follow the crowd and you end up seeing everybody doing the same thing. And that's not sustainable. Okay, you've got to brand yourself. You've got to build your foundations as a business owner, and you've got to have a clear direction, clear strategies, all of this that you're going to get from Roadmap Exclusive. And I'm just blown away. And I haven't even finished the course myself yet. I'm just loving this journey. I just wanted to share that with you today. So I hope that's been of some use. I will drop a link below so you can go and check it out, okay? Or you can just go to the6figuredad.com, and that's my homepage, and you can access the roadmap there. And I've actually created a walkthrough video for Roadmap on this channel anyway. So go and have a look at it. But seriously, if you want to have a chat with me, again, I'll leave a link below, the6figuredad.com. And if you scroll down to the bottom of my homepage, you'll be able to book a one-to-one call with me as well if you need a conversation. So I hope that's been of some use, guys. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate that support. Until next time, have a fantastic day. See you guys soon.